action.
Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, SmallwoodWorldWide. We're back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Apple Watch Ultra and how to leave a voice note or a voice memo using only the Apple Watch. Now, if you're into that James Bond thing, guess what? This is for you. Also, you might be out and about, no pen, no paper. This is very helpful, incredibly useful. Now, you can do this on any Apple Watch. We just happen to be using the Ultra, as you can see from the action button. And for everybody that I know on Samsung, guess what? If you have a Samsung watch, you can do the same thing. Now, let's open up here. Number one, as you can see, I have the honeycomb system. I like it that way. You may have the list view. Let's go ahead and click into it. And what does it say? Voice memos. Recordings will also be in voice memos on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. You gotta love that Apple ecosystem. Now, let's just leave a quick note. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Listen, I need 4 lemons from the store, 2 baguettes, 3 croissants, and get me some apricot jam. And while you're at it, get some more apple juice. Thank you. Let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, it gives you the recording. It gives you the exact time of the recording. You know, we use military time over here, and you get the length of the recording. Gotta love it. Let's press play. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Listen, I need 4 lemons from the store, 2 baguettes, 3 croissants, and get me some apricot jam. And while you're at it, get some more apple juice. Thank you. Now, you heard that with great clarity. You can also go on your Mac, iPad, or iPhone and actually change the title. It does not currently allow you to do that on the Apple Watch, which is fine by me. But guess what? It's a winner. 10 out of 10. I'm in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So hit us up in the comments. Let us know what you think. Have you utilized this feature before? Also, if you're enjoying the content, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. We enjoy the community that we're building with you. Otherwise, stay tuned, and we'll talk to you sooner than you think on a new edition of The Random. Peace.